Hello everybody. Before, we also talked about it. The glass blew itself up. Customer. For this, it's a self-destruct problem. It's a framing issue. Is it a true self-explosion? And there was a huge discussion, and I'm going to tell you about it. This self-exploding glass. How should we define it? Let me recap for you first. What is the reason for this self-explosion? It's this nickel sulfide, this crystal transformation. It's a heat-shrinking cold expansion. Such a substance. Under high temperature, it's a metastable state, small volume and high density. When we're inside the grill, when the wind blows, when the temperature drops to around 380 degrees, it will change from nickel sulfide in the alpha phase, transfer to nickel sulfide in the beta phase. Beta phase nickel sulfide, equivalent to, its volume will expand. If this nickel sulfide, just in time, close to my tensile layer, if it is the position of the board heart, it will affect this glass, this stress equilibrium, this self-destruct. Further down, combine that with what I just told you. How many reasons? Let's take a look at some pictures below. I teach you how to distinguish. It blew itself up. Or is it caused by external forces? There are probably three situations. It's an obvious self-destruct. That is, you are on the breaking point of this glass. Can see a very clear butterfly spot. Sometimes, if the nickel sulfide in the beta phase, if the expansion is too large, you can find butterfly spots in this. The intersection of the stripes. A nickel sulfide impurity can be found. Probably a small black spot, about 0.6 millimeter. This is the first case. This is pure self-destruction. What is the second situation? That's where it hits. Located on all four sides of your box. From four sides as the center. Scattered to the side. It's similar to the self-explosion of the butterfly spot, the resulting self-destruction. Then there is another one. It's similar to the self-explosion of the butterfly spot, but it doesn't have a noticeable butterfly spot. You will see above this punch point, there will be a trauma. This high probability, we just consider, maybe renovating sometimes, or during handling. It involves the introduction of this equipment, including 4SG flexible warm edge technology. In fact, it is also for this. Self-destruction did part of the work. Because of our stove, it's a super dense heating wire. Not only will its temperature be more uniform, so it has an extremely poor stress value, will be smaller, flexible warm edge, as opposed to rigid spacers. It's this. For this window frame edge, this deformation, it is also helpful to some extent. There is another one that says, there's a lot more of this now. This original piece float kiln from a small manufacturer. It's all close to this cold repair, or exceed. This cold repair is due for this deadline. Because you may not know, this one will be repaired once. Float kiln. This fee is relatively large. So the original film. So it's not easy for us to control this. You can only use the original film of the big factory. Then kiln period. A little closer. It can greatly reduce self-explosion, but mainly reduce this way of self-destruction, or the 2 points I just mentioned. One is homogenization. The second is to choose the configuration of semi-tempered laminated glue.